Planning an FTTx project can be challenging and needs a dedicated approach. FiberPlanIT offers you the tools to realize your projects faster and more cost-efficiently. Once you're ready to start building your network, you'll need clear to-build plans for your construction teams. The usual combination of CAD, spreadsheets, and diagramming applications may cause errors due to the inefficiency of this approach. The FiberPlanIT Engineer will save you time and make the rollout easier by automatically transforming your designs into to-build plans. The software generates all necessary maps, diagrams, and reports with the push of a button. The software uses the cost-optimized designs generated by the FiberPlanIT designer and adds that level of detail you'll need in the construction phase. It applies unique equipment labeling and splices all fibers according to your rules. Detailed equipment information like fiber and microduct coloring is added based on your own material specifications. You can inspect your design in detail, check the fiber connectivity path, the fiber assignment, or visualize the duct ending plan. At this stage, you can also still fine-tune your design. Through the documentation pack, you can indicate which type of construction plans you always need. This way, you'll be able to use these templates and create your plans in the most consistent and efficient way possible. The FiberPlanIT software was built using experience and data from over 200 projects in more than 45 countries around the world. Let us know how we can help you. Contact us via fiberplanit.com/contact.